Hi there, welcome to Chew and Review. My name is Gabriel. Today I'm going to introduce to you an American snack. 日本のヒットのために日本語と英語字幕をつけました。よろしくお願いします。Alright, the snack I'm introducing today is Little Debbie's Zebra Cake. So zebra cakes are really good. These have been around like since the 90s or so. You see these as a kid all the time. I call it zebra cakes because it looks like a zebra, obviously, like you can see. So these are little pastries. I'm gonna say it has vanilla cream filling on the inside. It's actually been a long time since I eat one of these. Let's go ahead and open it up together and see what it's like. Alright. So yeah, as you can see, it has a stripe just like a zebra. There you go. So as good as I remember, on the inside you'll see this kind of marshmallow filling, kind of vanilla filling, kind of vanilla bread on the inside. On the outside has like a coating of like vanilla frosting and chocolate drizzle on there to make it look the zebra shape. It's really good. Yeah, 皆さん、紹介の動画見てくれて本当にありがとうございます。Thank you all so much for watching my introduction video today. For more content on American candy and also for Japanese candy, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. じゃあまたね。